Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 48th video in this series. It means that we have already discussed 47 real exam questions जो students को real exam में PT के real exam में आए हैं. We have discussed the strategies, the tips and the tricks, how to solve them. So let's get started. First things first, now PT is accepted in UK also. So if you want to study, work or settle in the UK, you can achieve your dream through PTE, and 90% of Canadian universities now accept PTE academic. So you can study in Canada through PTE, and now a new test which is PTE Home has been started, and if you are looking for family visa in the UK, you can get it through PTE Home. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PT. Now question students ask कि क्या sir हम भी कर सकते हैं? The answer is big yes. You guys can also achieve your target score in the next attempt if you follow the same strategies, hacks, tips and tricks जो यहाँ पे हम इस series में discuss करते हैं. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. So coming to the today's topic, PT reading, it's of 32 to 41 minutes and question students ask, sir, kya it is scored out of 90? The answer is no. This module is of just 47 marks and it has 5 question types. And the third question type in the PT reading is reorder paragraphs. And this is the real scoring of PT reading. And as you can see, जो reading का module है, it contributes just 47 marks. And उसमें से reorder paragraphs are of 6 marks. So if you are getting 3 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 2 marks each. But every mark counts in PT. And reorder paragraphs अगर हमारी strategies से solve करने की कोशिश करेंगे, करते हैं, हमारी strategies use करते हैं, it's going to be very easy. We are going to see this. But remember one thing, that you just have 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, you have to skim the paragraph, जो आपको lines दी हुई हैं. Then you have to apply the strategies, then you have to make the pairs, and then you have to confirm कि जो भी आपने pairs बनाए हैं वो सही हैं या नहीं हैं. So this is today's topic, and as usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this, and after that you can see the explanation, or you can fast forward this video, okay? Okay, so we are back. So now you know that first thing we do is we skim the reorder paragraphs to find independent line and concluding line. And for finding independent line, we use process of elimination POE, and I call this as best friend forever. You are going to see this, okay? So now let's skim it and find the independent line. The aim of this article, this consa, right? So it's a pronoun and independent lines can't have a pronoun, right? So kya ye independent line ho sakti hai? The answer is no, but still let's skim it. The aim of this article is to discuss the consequences of DRM. हमारी AB strategy भी अभी हम देखते हैं. यहाँ पे एक तो आपने independent line देख ली कि pronouns हैं तो independent line नहीं हो सकती, और AB strategy से आपका you know that AB strategy is abbreviation strategy कि जब तक आपको इसका ये एक abbreviation है, अगर कहीं पे expanded form दिया हुआ है तो this cannot be your independent line also. So we are going to eliminate this. But this line is talking about consequences of DRM for firms, consumers and society. The article concludes. पहली बात article के साथ the लगा हुआ है. So if you have attended our lectures, strategy lectures, you know that द तभी यूज होता है जब वो चीज ऑलरेडी पहले कुछ डिफाइन हो चुकी हो, और वैसे भी यहाँ पे एक वर्ड आ रहा है concludes. Concludes है तो मतलब almost concluding line होने वाली है, right? So this cannot be your independent line. In contrast, अब in contrast, consumers are likely to see few benefits in DRM. अब अगर आप यहाँ पे देखिए अगेन in contrast मतलब आपको कोई पहले बात की होगी तभी तो कंट्रास्ट आ सकता है उसका, तो इसीलिए that's why this cannot be your independent line also. And using the same AB strategy, abbreviation strategy, DRM दिया हुआ है, so this cannot be your independent line, because अगर आपको इसकी abbreviation दी हुई है तो that is going to be your a line above these lines जहाँ पे वो short form में use हो रहा है. Due to its ability to solve all main problems associated with digital goods, digital rights management is the favorite option used by companies to tackle privacy. तो अगर अब आप यहाँ पे देखें तो ये रही वो फुल फॉर्म डिजिटल राइट्स मैनेजमेंट. तो एज पर AB स्ट्रैटेजी ये वाली लाइन इस लाइन से और इस लाइन से पहले ही आएगी. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या ये इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन हो सकती है? यस, हो सकती है. अब स्टूडेंट्स कहते हैं सर यहाँ पे प्रोनाउन यूज हो रहा है, इट्स एबिलिटी. बट अगर आप देखें, अगर सेम लाइन में नाउन प्रोनाउन रिलेशनशिप एस्टैब्लिश हो पा रहा है तो वी कैन टेक दैट लाइन एज अ इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन. ओके, सो इट्स एबिलिटी, कौन किसकी एबिलिटी? डिजिटल राइट्स मैनेजमेंट की एबिलिटी. सो यस, दिस कैन बी योर इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन. The rationales of DRM are discussed and the expected benefits for firms are presented. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, अब फिर से DRM AB स्ट्रैटेजी के बेसिस पे अब आपको पता है पहले आपकी फुल फॉर्म आएगी फिर आपकी शॉर्ट फॉर्म आएगी, तो दिस कैन नॉट बी योर इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन ऑल्सो. So we just have one independent line and we have found one concluding line also, almost concluding, like 99%. This is your concluding line and this is our independent line. So let's move this line over here. Okay, so we have dragged it. Now remember the thing is we have to make pairs, and अगर हम pairs बना लेते हैं, see हमने last line already choose की हुई है तो I'm going to eliminate it. अब हमें अपनी strategies के basis पे देखना हम pairs कैसे बना सकते हैं. Okay, so the aim of this article is to discuss the consequences of DRM for firms, consumers and society. उसके बाद consumers की बात हो रही है और firms की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. अगर आपको हमारी TO strategy पता है, topical order strategy पता है, it's a piece of cake for you guys to solve this reorder paragraph. Why I'm saying this? बिकॉज अब यहाँ पे आप ऑर्डर देखिए, पहले किसकी बात हो रही है? फर्म्स की बात हो रही है, फिर किसकी बात हो रही है? कंज्यूमर्स की बात हो रही है, फिर सोसाइटी की. ठीक है, तो अब आप यहाँ पे देखिए, तो अब टीओ स्ट्रैटेजी से फर्म्स वाली लाइन इसके बाद आएगी, कंज्यूमर वाली लाइंस फर्म्स के बाद आएगी. समझ आए ना आए, यू जस्ट नीड टू फॉलो आवर स्ट्रैटेजीज. तो लेट्स सी दिस. तो यहाँ पे आपने द एम ऑफ दिस आर्टिकल के साथ यहाँ पे ये फिल कर दिया जो आपको लग रहा था डिपेंडिंग अपॉन टीओ स्ट्रैटेजी. अब नेक्स्ट लाइन कौन सी आएगी? जहां पे आप फर्म्स की बात कर रहे हो, क्योंकि यहाँ पे पहले कौन सी बात कर रहे हो? फर्म्स की बात कर रहे हैं. टीओ स्ट्रैटेजी इज टॉपिक ऑर्डर स्ट्रैटेजी. एंड उसके बाद आप बात कर रहे हो कंज्यूमर्स की. तो यहाँ पे पहले आपने फर्म्स की बात कर ली, उसके बाद अब आप कंज्यूमर्स की बात करोगे. ओके, तो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस. और अब हमारे पास एक ही लाइन बची है, और वैसे भी यहाँ पे वर्ड आ रहा है कंक्लूड्स, तो यहाँ पे कंक्लूजन वाली लाइन आएगी. राइट, so let's see if this order is correct or not. Yes, this order is correct. So you see, if you know the right strategies, you can easily solve your reorder paragraphs. So what are our strategies which we use? The first strategy is finding independent lines. So you have seen how we find the independent line. Then BS strategy, which is brought to specific strategy. Then CO strategy, which is chronological order strategy. Then LO strategy, which is logical order strategy. Then connectors. TO strategy, you have seen its usage today. Topical order strategy. AB strategy, you have seen its usage also. Abbreviation strategy. SO strategy, subject object strategy. And last sentence rule, you have seen its application today also. So यही हैं कुछ strategies which you need to follow, and if you are able to follow them, you will be able to score, you will be able to solve your reorder paragraphs quickly. Always remember, you just have 2 minutes to solve. So in first 30 to 60 seconds, you have to skim the content. आपको independent line find करनी है, जैसे इस वाले paragraph में आपको मिल गई, and then you have to find a conclusion line also. And in next 30 to 60 seconds, do not forget to apply the strategies, make pairs. This is how you can easily solve your reorder paragraphs within 2 minutes. And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the scorecard, which you can see in the ticker below. So many students have achieved their target score, and these are some of our recent success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, 81. So if these guys can score, you can also score. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. If you have any question or doubts, you can contact us. If you want to take online coaching, in-institute coaching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.